back. Today we're here with this 2025 Thor Palladium. This is the 1930 floor plan. This just came in off of trade last week, and this is fresh out of detail, so we're getting a first look. But this 1930 has dual twin beds, an 11,000 BTU Coleman Mach air conditioning system, 400 amp hour batteries of the lithium reliable power pack, 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter, 200 watt solar panel on the roof. This Thule crown awning also has an LED light strip, ventilation in the UV tinted glass windows. The blacked out alloy wheels and the off-road tires look amazing. This also has a side running board, inline propane connection, and this unit has 15,272 miles. The previous owner took amazing care of it. We'll see that on the interior. The driver's seat is in great shape. The beds are nice and clean. This has 310 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, the diamond shield on the front, and we have a blacked out Raptor grille. This also has halogen fog lamps, bi-xenon HID headlights, static cornering lights, and the beautiful daytime running light. Taking a look at the passenger side, we have our utility connections, side running board, also sewer hose storage, more UV tinted glass, ventilation in the galley area. Up top we have a digital rear view mirror and wide angle rear view camera. The rear bumper makes an excellent step to get into the back. We have sensors in the bumper for audible and visual warnings, also a 6,000 pound tow hitch, and 4 and 7 pin connector. Coming into the rear barn doors, these doors will lock at 90 degrees. We have the cassette access, 30 amp shore power cord, matte black finish on the shower valve, also a handheld adjustable shower head, medicine cabinet. We have a fold down lavatory, good sized wardrobe, soft closing drawers. Underneath the wardrobe, we have a little more storage here in the back. We have a GFCI outlet, 12 volt outlet, and our outdoor spray connection. Huge windows in the rear barn doors. This has 22 gallons of freshwater capacity, 20 gallons of gray water, and a 4.75 gallon cassette toilet. We have grab assist handles here in the A-pillars, power locks and windows, double pockets in the door panel, ultra leather material on these manual adjustable seats, also side airbags. See, the seats are in excellent condition. Coming into the driver's side, we have combination lock. This is keyless entry, but we have a physical keyhole, easy fuel cap. We don't have any fuel cap to lose. We have a grab assist handle. This V6 motor also has a high idle button. Emergency start, we can jump start the chassis with the house batteries. And the full function leather wrap steering wheel not only is very comfortable, but it has a nice look to it. The edge of the seat cushion is in excellent condition. This is usually where it gets worn out. Push button start and stop. We have the 12-inch bright Sync 4 system. This has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, tilt and telescoping, full function steering wheel. We also have some physical buttons down below, including volume control and the power button. Here's a key for this unit. Now coming into the side, really nice smooth sliding door, very easy to open and close. This will lock in place. So to the left are the twin beds, which will transform into a single large bed, gravity water fill, house disconnect switch, and lagoon table bracket. Directly in front, we have a 3.1 cubic foot NovaCool refrigerator, solid surface countertop in the galley, a contour microwave up top. This beautiful wood look vinyl floor is in excellent condition. There are no rips or tears. Metal, heavy duty grab handle. Climbing inside, let's take a wide angle view of the cockpit. Beautiful view of the road from this Transit Trail chassis. Now spinning around to the back, let's take a wide angle view. We have our dual twin beds, lagoon table system, with awning doors, our nice bright touchscreen with the command center. We can control all of the lights. Above our Truma control system, stainless steel sink, and matte black faucet. This faucet also has a pull-out sprayer and adjustable spray head. And we have these beautiful UV tinted glass windows with ventilation, cassette shades for privacy. They also insulate well, and over top LED lighting. This contour microwave, very nice and clean. Looks like it's never been used. It is pre-owned, so it probably was used. We have a soft touch vinyl ceiling, LED light stripping, our 11,000 BTU Coleman Mach air conditioning system. These overhead cabinets have matte black hardware, heavy duty spring loaded European hinges. Here's the remote for the smart television. More overhead storage on the driver's side, even pass-through storage. Panoramic views from the interior, more cassette shades, and ventilation. The front seats will swivel around to the back, and we can enjoy the living space together. These dual twin beds will transform into a single bed. So first, let's take apart our lagoon table. This will slide out. Down below, we loosen we have the Zomi sleep system. This is a wooden slat system. You slide these into the center, push them down. On this large bed going east to west, we have 5 feet 7 inches, north to south 6 feet even. And then for each individual twin bed, we have a width of 2 feet 1 inch. We have a 7, maybe 8 inch curb into the slip resistant shower pan. Nice amount of storage here in the medicine cabinet. Just looks like we need a little knob on the mirror. And then up top, matte black finish on this adjustable spray head, and also on and off valve to help conserve water. I hope this has been a good overall review of this Thor Palladium 1930. This 2025 is available here at La Mesa RV in Tucson, Arizona. If you have any questions about this unit, or if you'd like to purchase, please contact me. I'll have my information down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.